WhatsApp recently added a new feature which allows us to schedule calls. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do just that. This is a useful feature which can stop us from missing important calls. And before we open our WhatsApp application, we first need to hop over to our Google Play Store or our App Store and then check if your app is updated to the latest version. Since WhatsApp rolled this out recently, then update your app in order to get this feature. And we can then open our application. Once we're in the app, you'll want to open this Calls section, which will show us all of our recent calls, but you will be able to see new buttons at the top of the screen. And let's tap on Schedule, which will open another section. You can now set up a name and a description for this call. Maybe it's a business call, a family gathering, or similar. Just name it, so you know what the call is about. Add a short little description, and then set the start and end time. Maybe you want it to last for 30 minutes. Just set the exact time and date on when you want this call to be scheduled, and that's it. We can tap on Next at the top right corner in order to select the contacts which you want to include in this call. You can select only one chat to whom you can send this invitation for a scheduled call. So if you have more than one person that you need to include in your call, then I suggest that you create a new group, add all of those people that you need to, and then send the scheduled call invitation in that group.